Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications in Trustee Wallet. And with Trustee Wallet you can store, send, receive and manage multiple cryptocurrencies all in one place. It also supports fast transactions, built-in exchange features and strong security options, giving you full control over your digital assets. And in this video I show you how to enable notification in Trustee Wallet so you never miss important alerts like transaction security updates or wallet activity. So let's get started. So first you need to open to the Trustee Wallet. Make sure you already have it. If you do not, you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and you can download it from there as well. And you are also required to log into your account and connect to the internet. So now over here, what you can do is look at the top right corner of the screen, select the three-line menu. Over here on the bottom you can see there's an option for the notification just under the others, and over inside this menu you can find the notifications or app notification. What you can do is select this notification and simply tap on the activate all, and after you select this activate all, and you can turn on all notifications such as transaction alerts, security notification, app updates, price or wallet activity alerts. Make sure every toggle is switched on, and once done you can close the app and reopen it. You will now receive real-time notification for wallet activity and security updates. And that's it, you've successfully enabled notification in Trustee Wallet. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.